Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I refresh my day 2 hair. So I've slept in this, so this is the way I'm sleeping in it. I put most of it up on my head. Since I've had the haircut, I can't get all of it up anymore because it's quite short at the back. So I'm doing that, and I sleep on a satin pillowcase as well, and this was quite cheap. I think it's from Amazon. So that's what I'm trying to do to maintain my waves, but many ladies will tell you with wavy hair it doesn't stay in the best. So I'm going to take it down, shake it out, and to be fair, this isn't that bad. Yeah, this isn't that bad. Sometimes it's worse. So I'll just shake it out. I'm just going to tip my head over and shake at the roots, and then have a look at what it's doing. So it's not too bad today. So I'm just going to wet some little bits and try and spruce them up a little bit. So just got some water here, and it's just got a tiny bit of curling jelly in from Umberto Gianni. I might have said that right or wrong. So it shall be filled up to about there with water and then topped up with gel. So it's a bit of a gel spray. So I'm just going to spritz some bits on it. Not much. If it's really gone limp, I really soak it. I'm just going to scrunch it up, and then it's looking out for kind of straighter bits. So if it's really bad, I'll really wet it down. So this bit's normally pretty bad, so I'll wet this bit down. So it's pretty wet now. And then I'll take in a little bit of leave-in conditioner, because it's all about moisture, which I never realised in the past, and I tried to put less product in. So a bit of leave-in conditioner and just spruce over and then scrunch it in, and that will refresh them. I'd normally leave them to dry naturally, but you can diffuse dry it if you are in a rush. You can see the leave-in conditioner just gives it a little bit more definition. But this is at the moment what I've been doing. I say I'm quite new to it, so I'm playing around with it a little bit. I'm playing around with products and seeing, but the products I used yesterday to wash my hair seem to have worked really well. This is the first time I'd washed my hair since my big chop. So what I used was the Shea Moisture Fruit Infused Coconut Water Weightless Shampoo, because it said it's for fine wavy hair. So a lot of their products say thick curly hair, so I was a little bit worried it'd be a bit heavy for mine. So I've been using this for a while. I have been sulfate free for over a year. My hair is always in good condition, but the layers were always getting dry and breaking, and it never made any sense to me. And then when I looked into the Curly Girl method, it's so much about moisture. I think there just wasn't enough moisture in my hair, so I'm hoping this is gonna sort that problem out. And my layers are now this long, and they were this long, so they were literally chopped. So there should be like no split ends in my hair. So wash with that once. I mainly put it onto my scalp and massage it on my scalp, and then just it rinses out. It will clean the rest of your hair. And then I did a pre-poo treatment of coconut oil on my scalp and my ends, and I kept that in overnight, which I do pretty much every wash, to be fair. Then I followed with the Fruit Frozen Coconut Water Weightless Cream Rinse. So I popped this all into my hair, and I actually combed it this time. They say not to comb it, to finger comb it, but I actually did comb it with a wide tooth comb. And I have the deep conditioner that goes with this range as well, and I put that on my ends. Now with wavy hair and curly hair, you can sort of leave this in, or you can just rinse a bit of it out, but I chose to rinse it all out because I was going to follow with this. So whilst my hair, I just turned the shower right down to a drizzle to wash it out, because you don't want to upset the curl. And then whilst it was soaking wet in the shower, I put a good dollop of this, about a 50p size piece on, which is about that. And I worked this all the way through my hair. Straight after, followed with this in the praying hand method, which is down here, and scrunched it, scrunch. Then I used my microfiber turban to scrunch away again, and I piled all my hair into this for 15 minutes, and then I diffused it for about 2 minutes, like 30 seconds on each bit. Went downstairs for a couple of hours, then diffused it to finish, and this is what I got. So my hair is a mixture of 2B, 2C, 3A. So it's really straight at the front, but I think this is from tying my hair back for so long. This side is recovering quite well actually, but it's this one that isn't, and this is the thinner side of my hair. That is how I'm currently refreshing my day 2. I think the day 2 and day 3 is just such a nightmare. I was using Cantu products, which I love, but I think the ones I've got are for curlier, like denser hair than mine, so they're just a bit too heavy, but I do love them. I use the coconut milk. So this is quite nice, the coconut oil shine and hold mist. I'll put that on if I've got any frizzes. So I won't spray it straight on because it's quite a harsh stream. So one pump. Oh, it smells amazing. And I'll just smooth it over and scrunch. And it does give a lot of shine, so don't use too much. But it will just kind of smooth out any frizzy hair. So this is the start of the journey. I didn't want my hair this short, but I wanted to give it the best cut. It feels very, very short. I'm aiming to grow it to here. I'm hoping my hair grows faster with a combination of the better hair routine and pregnancy. I hope I'm here in a month. Don't think it's going to happen, but I'll keep you posted on the things I try, because I think the curly girl method is a lot of trial and error. And yeah, it's already been trial and error, but that's how I refresh my day 2 curls at the moment. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.